Hello students, in continuation of the same chapter, how do organisms reproduce, today we are going to start reproduction in human beings. As you know, on the last turn we have discussed sexual reproduction in plants or flowering plants. So today we are going to start reproduction in human beings. In human beings, males and female reproductive organs are present in different individuals, and the reproductive system in male and female are quite different in structure and function. This system becomes functional or functionally active at a particular age called as puberty. Generally, female attains puberty at the age of 10 to 12, and boys or the males attain it at the age of 13 to 14 years. Although some of the changes like growth of body or the body grows larger, and appearance of hair on whole of the body parts, and oily skin, and appearance of secondary sexual characters etc. are common in both males and females, but some of the changes are different in both, like in girls, increase in breast size and menstruation. So these are the different character in case of females, and in case of males or boys, deepening or cracking of voice, and appearance of beard and mustache etc. are different in both. These all changes takes place slowly over a period of months and years, but all these changes are aspects of the sexual maturation. Thus, as the rate of general body growth begin to slow down, reproductive tissue begin to mature. When the body normal growth of the body becomes slow, then reproductive tissue begin to mature, and this period during adolescence is called puberty. Now, the definition of puberty, it is a period when primary sex organs become functional and start producing hormone that take part in the development of secondary sex organs and appearance of secondary sex characters. So, when an infant begin to grow to adolescence, then it is called as puberty. Sexual mode of reproduction means that the germ cells from two individuals have to join together, and this can happen by two ways. First, as we seen in case of flowering plants, by the external release of germ cells from the bodies of individual, as we have seen in case of plants, flowering plants. And second way is by two individuals joining their bodies together for internal transfer of germ cell for fusion. That takes place in most of the animals. So, if animals have to participate in the process of mating, their state of sexual maturity must be identifiable by other individual. So, we see many changes occur during puberty, and such are the signals for sexual maturity. For example, new hair growth pattern, the growth of hair at the pubic places, that is the signal that the sexual maturation is taking place. So, this is the about the sexual maturation. Now, let us look at the systems involved in the process of sexual reproduction. So, first of all, we will discuss male reproductive system. So, male reproductive system. Male, it consists of the portion which produce the germ cell and other portion that delivers the germ cells to the site of fertilization. Means ki male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes, then scrotum, then vas differentia, then prostate gland and seminal vesicle. Testis, which is the primary sex organ, it produces the sperms, and beside that it produces hormone testosterone, which regulate the formation of sperms and also bring about the changes in appearance seen in boys at puberty. Testes are present in a small pouch called the scrotum. So, let me draw the diagram of male reproductive system. It is like that. This is the diagram. This is bladder. Then this is ureter. Ureter means that brings the urine to the urinary bladder. This is urethra, this is penis, this is prostate gland, and this is seminal vesicle, this is scrotum, and this is testis. This is vas deferens. So, this is the structure of human male reproductive system. As I have told earlier, testes are present in a small pouch called as scrotum. The scrotum is present outside the abdominal cavity between the two legs. Its temperature is 1 to 3 degrees Celsius lower than the normal body temperature. This temperature below the body temperature is essential for the production of sperm or male gamete. Sperms are produced in males throughout the reproductive life. The sperms, that are the tiny bodies, and their structure is like that. This is head, this is neck, and this is middle piece in case of sperm, and this is the tail. Now, sperms are produced in males throughout the reproductive life. The sperms are tiny bodies that consist of genetic material and a long tail that help them to move towards female germ cell or ovum or egg. The sperm formed in testes are delivered through the vas deferens. This is vas deferens tube-like structure. Sperms are formed in this portion and they travel through this portion to up to here, and in traveling they pass through the two glands that are the prostate glands and seminal vesicle. So, when they pass from testis to seminal vesicle and prostate gland both, then these seminal vesicle and prostate gland, they both add their secretion so that the sperms are now in a fluid medium, which makes their transport easier and also provide nutrition to them. So, you can see in the diagram again that sperms are formed in the testis. They travel through the vas deferentia, and in the way these two glands, prostate gland and seminal vesicle, they mix their secretion within the sperms, and these both glands, prostate glands and seminal vesicle, mix their secretions so that the sperms can flow or transport easily, and beside that it can get nutrition. So, this is all for today. Tomorrow we will take the female reproductive system.